Okay, if my phone no go off, if you have $100 and you've opened a ByBit account, fund your ByBit $100. If you have, if you fund from, you can fund from your Binance, you can fund from ByBit to ByBit, anyhow you want to do it. You can do ByBit to ByBit, they will not charge you. But before you fund, come to Token Splash under more. Register this 1, 2, and 3. These 3 events, that are the most recent events. Don't register in SQT down. Okay, register in 1, 2, 3, Porter, the chat, register BBL, register, okay, others is late. So if you register the 4 of them, if you want to register, tap join now. If you tap join now, you register to participate. Once you have done that, fund $100, either via from Binance to ByBit or from ByBit to ByBit, anyhow you want to do it. Once you have done that, if you have $100 your ByBit already, you can send it to me. After I've registered all the tax, I'll send it to you back instead of them charging you $1 for deposit. So once you've registered all of them, they will show you 50% here because you've funded $100. So all you just have to do is to swap any amount to this token and swap back, buy and sell back, nothing else. If you're doing, use limit for your buying and selling so that the charges will not debit you too much. So that is it. Buy and sell for all those 4 of them you registered. After the event, you can be lucky to win. This token splash is not like the Mavia airdrop. That Mavia airdrop comes once in a while. When something like that comes, I will likewise post this one. But this one too, you can be lucky, especially for new users. New users and old users can do it, but new user has more chance of winning. So that is it. So do do this QORPO, do portal, do the chat, and do BBL. That is it. For those of you starting ByBit today and you have $100, good luck.